Hello, welcome to usbitcoinservices.com. In this video, I want to share this website where you can start mining not just Bitcoin, but you can also mine Dogecoin, Litecoin, Dash, Redcoin, and Ethereum. All you need to do, you just need to follow the link that you find below this video under the title Best Places to Mine Bitcoins, for example. So after you create your account, you will be able to see these options here. First of all, you need to create or add some Bitcoins to your account in order to be able to start mining. So after that, you will click, for example, you select the currency that you want to deposit. So you click at Bitcoin, for example. So the page is opening now. So the internet here is a little bit slow at this moment, but let's just wait. So in the meantime, let's open another page, this one for example, to show you how you can calculate any amount that you want to. Okay, before I go there, I just need to explain this. This is in English also, so we can just click there and see the English version. Okay, my internet is slow, but okay, now this is in English. One click here again at Bitcoin, so you can select these 6 options. Let me do one more click here. And then these are the wallets where you need to send your payment. You just copy and paste. And after you do that, you can start mining. You just go here, mining. If you deposited, for example, Bitcoin, you will be able to click on the Bitcoin section where it says mining. That is right here. After you make the deposit, you will see that your balance here. Then you will be able to click here to start mining. Here you will see the amount that you will be earning per hour, and here you will see your total balance that you have available, so you can make withdrawals or reinvest. And also you can use your affiliate program, so other people can create an account, so you can also get the commissions for that. Let's see. Okay, it's open now. So you will see this link below this video. Just check on that link and create your account. You can also use these banners. Just get this code and you can put it at your website, for example, or at your blog spot. So now let me go to the other page, to this one, which is the income calculator. Let's see that you want to mine Bitcoins and you want to deposit 1 Bitcoin. That means that you, in 3 months, you will recover that Bitcoin. Within 3 months, you will have 2 Bitcoins. The one you just used to start mining, and the other one that you got as a revenue. So this is an easy way how to calculate how much you will get. Let's say that you want to deposit 5 Bitcoins. In 3 months, you will get 5 extra Bitcoins, additional to the 5 that you used. So you will, within 3 months, you will have a total of 10 Bitcoins. Your 5 initial Bitcoins plus 5 Bitcoins that you get as revenue. In dollars, that is $2,086, which is 101% of income. So now let me go back. Okay, this is the link that you need to follow below this video. click there and you will be able to open your own account and start mining Bitcoin. And for example, in order to make a withdraw, you just go to this option, and once you have some Bitcoins, you will be able to get those earnings from Bitcoin, for example. Okay, let's wait a little bit and come back here. Let's check for the news and see what they are sharing there. And you can also check this section, which is the frequent asked questions, in case you need some support. But you can also have some support here. So they are constantly sharing their news about what they are doing with their software, with their updates. So let me go back here and then one click at where I was. Okay, this section is to create some exchange. Once you have some revenue, you can exchange your earnings for hash power. So they give some advert some information here before you make a withdraw. For example, you need to stop mining. In that way, you will be able to make your withdrawals from your account. Otherwise, according with this system, it works in that way. So you just need to make a pause each time that you want to make a withdraw, and then after that, you come back and just click on mine again, and you will be on track again. So you can also check the support in case you have some questions or any technical issues. They will be available to answer your questions and help you. In this section, you just create one ticket and they will help you. And also you can ask questions at the chat section right here. So you can just ask and some people from the chat will be able to answer your questions. Okay, so just open your account and start funding your account, and then you will have the options to start mining not just Bitcoin but also Ether and other cryptocurrencies. Okay, thanks for watching. Please share this video and also please subscribe.